Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show how to turn on notifications for channel messages on Instagram Web using your PC, especially after the latest update where some settings have moved around a bit. First, open your preferred browser and go to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there, also known as the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up the main menu. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can control different aspects of your account. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage how and when Instagram sends you alerts. Now, look for the option labeled Push Notifications and click on it. This is where you can customize notifications for different activities, including messages. Scroll down until you find Channel Messages. Once you locate it, you'll see different options available. To make sure you don't miss any updates, select On.